Hello everyone. Today I am bringing you a Tablescape Sunday collaboration, gold, white, and black for 2020. The object is to have fun, share your creativity, and to join with beautiful ladies. Our host is Mysterious Alberta. Co-host is Cynthia, Shesobless. Co-host me, myself, DIYing it. Co-host Lynn's Lifestyle Living. And last but not least, Diva Decorating. The object is to have fun and show your beautiful white, black, and gold. Let's get into the video. All right. We have my black, gold, and white table setting for Tablescape Sunday 2020. I'm going to cruise around the table first, and then I will tell you where everything came from. We were to shop our home. This is a no purchase collab. All right, let's get started. We're going to start at the head of the table. We have the table, the centerpiece is a Hobby Lobby faux fur table runner that I purchased for 66% off. It was original $29 or $39, and I got it for $10. And then in the middle is my gold table placemat that I purchased from Burlington for $1.99. And then my Dollar Tree tea light holder and my Dollar Tree tea light. And then we have these beautiful chandelier candle holders that I purchased on clearance years ago at Home Goods. And I have a black candle from Hobby Lobby, and this is a Dollar Tree candle wrapped in bling wrap, black bling wrap, sorry. Then we have these beautiful leaves that I purchased at home store after Christmas for 90% off. My table setting for the head table, my placemat is from Target. My charger plate is from Dollar Tree. My gold and white plate is from Home Goods last year after Christmas. My salad plate, Dollar Tree. My napkin is a Goodwill find, the white one, and the black one is a Dollar Tree placemat, and it's black and silver, and I just did it backwards so it can just be the black. And my napkin ring is a Totally Dazzled. And my silverware is Hobby Lobby last year after Christmas. And my beautiful wine glass is a not a Dollar Tree, a Goodwill find. And then we'll come on over to this one. And this is a Goodwill charger plate. A Dollar Tree black plate. A Goodwill find. This is a 4-pack dessert plates. They have different styles. And it was for $2.99 for a pack of 4. And my glass, I hauled this in my video, a Goodwill find. And this is the other style. And this matches the one at the other end. And this is the third style of the dessert plate. And this is the fourth style. So thank you for stopping in and checking out my Tablescape. And please go to the other ladies' channel and check out their video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to all of our fabulous channel. And I hope that you enjoy Black, Gold, and White Sunday 2020 Tablescape.